Remote access. Remote access is the access a computer or a network remotely. Remote access security methods are restricted allowed addresses, geolocation, caller ID, callback, and multi-factor authentication. Restricted address blocks access to the network-based allowed IP addresses. Geolocation blocks access based on the geographic location of the user. Caller ID restricts access to the network based on allowed phone numbers. Callback restricts access to the network by requiring a remote user to first authenticate to the Remote Access Service (RAS) server. Multi-factor authentication requiring users to authenticate with a user ID and password plus an additional factor such as a one-time passcode token, or biometric. Remote Access Service (RAS) servers utilize the point-to-point protocol (PPP) to encapsulate IP packets and establish connections. Point-to-point protocol (PPP) are three authentication protocols: Password Authentication Protocol (PAP), Challenge Handshake Protocol (CHAP), and Extensible Authentication Protocol (EAP). Password Authentication Protocol (PAP) uses two-way handshake to authenticate. Challenge Handshake Protocol (CHAP) uses three-way handshake to authenticate. Extensible Authentication Protocol (EAP) adds flexibility to point-to-point protocol (PPP) authentication by implementing various authentication mechanisms or MD5 challenge, S/key, generic token card, digital certificates, and so on. Users pass login credentials to a Radius server for authentication. Radius is an AAA, authentication, authorization, and accounting protocol that manages access in an AAA transaction. Diameter is the successor to Radius. One significant improvement Diameter provides is added reliability. TACACS is an alternative to Radius. TACACS is in 3 versions: Original TACACS, Extended TACACS, TACACS, and TACACS+. TACACS integrates the authentication and authorization processes. Extended TACACS, TACACS, keeps the authentication, authorization, and accounting processes separate. TACACS and improves TACACS by adding two-factor authentication.